kwanya isra bi church obi ara bi misa so obi ahun ti se na mjiri so obo ade na daru mo obi ahun ye we eye mo amuso mfo na naja FIFA court na me chia NDC fuo nyina obi bi oya NDC ni bia no me fa kwanya so na ma chia no na ye di nkomo kakra abusia se ebehwa Yewra John Dramani Mahama tirem se ejata be ma nwofefo kukudufo tra konwa so a ne na si fom se Kim on ye ma me na na genopo kwa agiman eni Yewra atofo sin efuro ya ba Yewra Sami Jamfi Agric minister mo Yewra Honorable Eriko Pokumo so makika o mutire bom ama Ghana ye economy no emu aye de te se honey te se de Yewra Kufuor ekaye no abusia we na MPP for obo person mo fa kwan bia so jandam tantan jandama eni jandam no e ba ya na keji ni kwa hu se o we de jandam enu bi na MPP for abo na we e na Yewra Kokofu Yewra NS Kokofu Dr. Kokofu former MP ma Bantuma constituency e ko pia mo Metro TV na okopiem ho Yewra Kwasi Pratt Junior enzo kopiem ebo Metro TV no amkopiem ho Yewra Kokofu a ye former MP ma Bantuma eye na adwen se odi jandam no ekwa kopie ho se mo behwa ye sidi no shase se obu dollar no obu brutal butu no pia dollar ti kwa wosu dollar e papai dollar no ama Ghana fo nyina ka se Sana ye betimi anya aban bi ti se NDC aba na ta ama cedi atimi atwe dollar no abunu sei ya nsusu da we na MPP for town no mti da bi ye sha ase with jandam na we no mo sha ase with jandam no mo jandam ni nyina no de wo mu no se o mo ye jandam bi a emfa Yewra Kokofu ti wana ai ye Ghana for ye twa 10 million Ghana ti na 10 million Ghana ti na de na dollar ho nsensem na de ye dollar na ye fake na de very soon dollar no be busi di no ma Ghana for nyina be hu se za NDC aban nya aban papa yo na Yewra Kokofu Yewra Kwasi Pratt Junior hey Yewra Kokofu pause because ya mo am Franka Tufo Baomia ye mo Franka Tufo Baomia be so abanwa ni mu 2016 2017 no ade o mo di se o manu super ye se o mo ba be ma cedi abu dollar ama dollar ya hata but ye ri ba ya ho so no na dollar busi di amana ya hata because mo be ji cedi no dollar ni free NDC some na ya say o da ya fa na ya 4 cedis mo de koya man ko do 17 cedis mo ji inflation every Yewra John Dramani Mahama some 2016 15 na inflation 15 mo de koya me duru ba bi koya ko duru 54.5% na fa Ghana for jom ho a enje if ya to aba na no 2024 ya mo kokra na inflation that 24%, but as I'm talking to you now inflation now somewhere 6.4%. Now when I Dr. Kokofu Bantuma MP kopie mo Metro TV woni Yewra Kwasi Pratt na nya fa diagora abutu anyam na me be kan nyina kirekirim mo me yanko hwe emra Yewra Kokofu eni Yewra Kwasi Pratt Junior o me de face so e wo Metro TV no yanko hwe wan na di nkunim eye MPP for jandam no odi di nkunim ana se eye Yewra Kwasi Pratt Junior and facts eno odi di nkunim abutu am me yanko hwe emra. This is a serious issue.
How is it a serious issue?
Okay, let me explain.
How is this a serious issue? How is this a problem?
Let me explain. Because Moro, if you have $10 billion,
yes.
If you have $10 billion, what would you use it for? Given your priorities,
what would you have used it for?
Okay, if I have $10 billion in government, yes. I will pay road contractors. I will pay teachers, I will pay nurses, I will employ more because I will open up, and then most importantly, stimulate local businesses, industrialization, encourage people to go into value addition, create more jobs, export more, and earn more foreign currencies back home.
I will use this $10 billion within this.
In the 8 years that you were in power, why didn't you do what we are describing?
Okay, let me.
You were in power for 8 years.
Let me.
You
asked me a question. Let me answer. I will answer, but you asked me a question. A question you deserve to be answered.
Hold on.
Because that answer will help us.
You would answer. But hold on.
Okay.
Don't talk as if you just came from outer space. You just left government after 8 years.
Yes.
You understand?
Okay.
Now, besides, today, you go out there and tell the people of Ghana that it is a bad thing to stabilize the city. And listen to what they will tell you.
No.
You came into power. Your vice president, who is now seeking to be president, came into power. One of his priorities was to stabilize the city.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
One of his priorities.
Yes.
Why did he make the stabilization?
Okay, let me answer.
How?
Because you kept on asking questions, so the questions demand answers.
No, they were rhetorical questions.
Rhetorical.
They were not meant to be.
But even if they demand answers,
You would have to wait for you to land.
let me finish and
you
then
can give the answers.
you can answer them.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes, on that score I agree with you.
Yes. Let me finish and then you can answer them. So you go and tell those who are doing import, those who are in the import trade, that it's a very bad idea that the city has been stabilized.
Yes.
You understand? Go and tell those who depend on remittances that it's a very bad idea that the city has been stabilized and so on. What is this? Not just that. Massa, we're talking specifically about the Cocoa Board. A number of measures has been put in place in order to reverse the current situation. And one of those measures which has been put in place is the suspension of cocoa roads. I think it's a brilliant idea. It's something which would help us, to take hold of the resources available to Cocoa Board and to redirect them, for whatever. That has been done. There has been a freeze on employment over the last 11 months, So the payroll is being managed much better than it was managed before. Indeed, within the last 11 months, the importation of jute sacks, which became just a waste, has also stopped. And so there are all kinds of positive measures, which have been put in place as far as Cocoa Board is concerned. Now, you're talking about the management of the national economy. Look, I'm one to admit that there have been no fundamental structural changes in the state of the economy. But when it comes to managing the microeconomics and so on, why? Who is going to deny that now the inflation is in the single digit? Apart from the stability of the national currency, inflation is in the single digit. You understand? The national debt has fallen, and so on. These are all clear indications. These are not things that we have to argue about.
This tells you, say, Yura, another Dr. Kokofu, former MP Mabantoma. Ne jandama waduko Metro TV na atonsiom, Yura kwasi prata man kwan. Amana fa de jandam no sa jandam ne sa nyoma we bi no mo ye ya na anu ya mbetia ye say an IMF for them gold gold board for aboka meanwhile last month ya November ya mu na IMF for e be ka kire Ghana for say IMF for be ka kire Ghana for say ye gold board na ya creating ama Ghana gain a lot. Ghana ya kasa Ghana gain profit what the cocoa ya the gold board gain a lot of profit and gold board can one Ghana ya timi afa ya ntoma pafra na ya den na December we mu more MPP what na mo ya fragada ya nyoma ne be ya tete IMF for the abase ana ya lose $141 million of gold and there ni nyina jandam e yam tro o tena te no ma form but where yeah, catch them say social media no so no. Yeah, mamu gaba, yeah, mamu jandam no enye juma. Enti abusiafo, Yewura Kwasi Pratt Junior. Yewura Kwasi Pratt Junior. Wa level Yewura Dr. Kokofu, wa level no do not to baby was what that wa level no kama. Wa magana fo nyina hu say truly se ka se jandam pa mu jandam a jandama en kanso jandama enfa jandama tan enye fekra na eye MPP aban ene na Yewura Kokofu wo dimusi pisita wo MPP wo de ko gu no wan nyima ase e wo Metro TV because Yewura Kwasi Pratt e ma no hu say sa jandam no on fa mba wo no nani so we eye mo am so mfo nana Jamfifa kwatena me koso aka cham say hi Jofak Media subscribe like na share na afoforo nya bi nya den and your notification bell na wo no fa support to pan say the be any update bia no you gonna be the first person to have it abusia mo so mfo nana Jamfifa kwatini makramo.
Welcome to Jofak Media. Hear it loud and clear. Breaking news, truth is what we hold dear. Ghana's newest voice, rising to the top.